नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. Shloka 50, 51, 52, 53 and 54. वृन्दावनं पुनः प्राप्य नवीनेव स्वरूपिणी जाताहं युवती सम्यक् प्रेष्टरूपा तु साम्प्रतम्. Vrindavanam Puna Prapya. Vrindavanam is the place. Puna means again. Prapya means reached. Vrindavanam Puna Prapya. After reaching Vrindavanam, Navineva Surupini. Naveen means new. Eva means fully. Surupini. Rupini means form. Surupini means the with the form. That means Navineva Surupini means the lady got a new form completely. Jataham Yuvati Samyak. Jata means birth. Jada aham means I was reborn. I felt like I was reborn. Yuvati means beautiful lady. Samyak means appear. Preshta rupatu sambradam. Preshta means lovely. Rupa means the form. Tu with. Sampradam means appear. Preshta Rupatu Sampradam means the Devi got into a lovely form. Vrindavanam Punaprapya Navineva Swarupini Jataham Yuvati Samyak Preshta Rupatu Sampradam. So the lady was completely drained out after visiting the Gujarat, and she became completely old and crippled. But when she reached Vrindavanam, something surprising happened. That means the Devi got her previous beautiful form. That means Devi became rejuvenated and endowed with enviable beauty. Then Devi appeared quite young with a very lovely form. Imau tu shayidavatra sutau me klishyadashramaad idam sthanam parityajya videsham gamyate maya. Imau tu shayidavatra. Imau means two sons, two, both of them. Shayidavatra. They were, Shayida means they had to sleep. They have to lie down. Avatra means they are too much tired. Sutau me klishyada shramad. Sutau means sons. Me, my. Klishyada means anguish. Shramad means suffering. Sudau me klishyada shramad. My two sons were suffering from great anguish. Idam sthanam parityaja. Idam. In this way. Sthanam. Place. Parityaja. Left. Idam sthanam parityaja. So, I left this place with my two sons. Videsham gamyade maya. Videsham. Another place. Gamyade. Went. Maya. I. With my two sons. Videsham gamyade maya. I propose to go to another place. Imau tu shayidavatra sudau me klishyadashramat idam sthanam parityajya videsham gamyade maya. My two sons suffered with great anguish and they slept due to fatigue. And when I saw that I got my previous beautiful form, but my sons are still very tired and crippled and old men, and they were very much sleepy because of tiredness. So what I did was, I however proposed to go to another place, live in this place, in case my son also regain their previous form, rather than this old man. So this is what that lady is explaining to Narada Muni. Jaradatvam samayatau tena dukkena dukkida saham tu taruni kasmat sutau vriddha vimau kutaha. Jaradatvam samayatau tena. Jaradatvam means decrepitude. Samayatau means Samaya Atau. For my two sons, it has happened. Tena. For them, it is paining. Dukkena dukkida. Dukkena means suffering. Dukkida means sadness. Dukkena dukkida means they are suffering from the form that they have, the two sons have achieved. That is making them more worried. Saham tu taruni kasmat. Sa aham. Aham means me, I. Sa aham means however I, tu, changed. Taruni, beautiful lady, young lady, kasmat. I changed to look young. Saham tu taruni kasmat. That means I changed to look young, but sutau vriddha vimau kutaha. Sutau means two sons. Vriddha vimau means they are looking very old. Kutaha. Why should I look young when my sons are aged? Kutaha is a question. Jaradatvam samayatau tena dukkena dukkida saham tu taruni kasmat sutau vriddha vimau kutaha. I am pained at the decrepitude of my sons. Though I am their mother, why should I look young and my son's age? This is the question that is the lady is trying to get the answer from somebody. That's why, that's when she saw the Narada Muni. So the lady is explaining everything to Narada Muni. Trayanam sakacharitvat vaiparityam kutastidam khadade jaratha mata tarunau tanayaviti. Trayanam sakacharitvad. Trayanam. That means tray means three. Ana means together. Sakacharitvad. They are staying, depending on each other. Who? The Bhakti Devi, Jnanam and Vairagyam are the two sons. Trayanam Sahacharitvad. The three, mother and two sons, all three of them have been staying together. Vaiparityam kutastidam. Vaiparityam. So, how come the inversion, opposite? Kuta, happened. Sthidam, which is unnatural. Vaiparityam kutastidam. How can an unnatural inversion take place? Khadade jaradha mata. Khadade means changing. Jaradha means old. Mata means mother. Khadade jaradha mata means mother will always look older than the sons. Tarunau tanaya viti. Tarunau means young. Tanaya means kids, sons. Viti means that is the natural way. Tarunau tanaya vidi. The son should look young than the mother, which is natural. Trayanam sakacharitvad vaiparityam kutastidam khadade jaradamada tarunau tanaya viti. That means how did this unnatural inversion take place when we three have been staying together? It is natural that the mother should be old and the sons youthful. Even when we are staying together, how could I only change back to the young, youthful form, but my sons still, both of them, Jnanam and Vairagyam, are looking old. अदशोचामि चात्मानं विस्मयाविष्टमानसा वदयोगनिधे धीमन् कारणं चात्र किं भवेत् अत शोचामि चात्मानं अत in this way shochami overwhelmed cha atmanam means mind, cha means with mind. That means ada shochami chatmanam. So my mind is overwhelmed at this point. Vismaya vishtamanasa. Vismayam, miraculous. Avishtam. Avishtam means like change. Manasa, in my mind. Vismaya vishtamanasa. Miraculous changes, that is, I cannot understand in my mind. Vada yoga nidhe dhiman. Vada means about. Yoga nidhe. Yoga means the sannyasi, yoga, who is very practiced in yoga bhyasam. That is the Narada Muni. Nidhe means treasure. The Narada Muni is the treasure for all the yogis. Dhiman, who is the intelligent. Vada yoga nidhe dhiman. O intelligent abode of yoga. Karanam chatra kim bhavet. Karanam, the reason. Chatra, cause. Kim, why. Bhavet, happened. Karanam chatra kim bhavet. Kindly let me know what can be the cause or reason for this. Ada shochami chatmanam vismayavishtamanasa vada yoganide dhiman karanam chatra kim bhavet. My mind is overwhelmed with this miraculous change and hence I am grief stricken. Because, O intelligent abode of yoga, please kindly let me know what is the cause of this and why this happened. So these are the explanation that is given by the lady to Narada Muni. Thank you.